Earlier this week, we told you about new guidelines that require a prescription to get the new COVID-19 vaccine and how it's impacting people in our community. I'm John Hood, and I spoke with a Virginia Beach man who says he tried getting the new vaccine with his primary care physician with Sentara, but was denied. And now he's trying to warn people his age and who are looking to travel and get the shot.
John, the damnedest thing happened to me on Monday.
68-year-old Gary Byler tells me earlier this week, as he was preparing for a family trip down to Disney World, he wanted to be protected from COVID by getting this year's vaccine. He says he went to see his Sentara doctor, but it didn't go the way Byler hoped.
I was told that no doctor in the Sentara system could issue any RX for the new COVID, quote, until the panel meets, even though I'm at risk.
Byler is referring to the Centers for Disease Control meeting next week to approve this year's updated COVID vaccine. I did reach out to Sentara, and in a statement they say, quote, Sentara providers are able to write prescriptions for COVID vaccines according to their clinical judgment. A recent internal communication does advise waiting until the CDC's advisory committee finalizes its clinical recommendations. Sentara went on to say some of our providers might be choosing to wait for CDC guidelines later this month. Byler says he went to another medical provider to get a prescription for the vaccine and that he got the shot at CVS.
My CVS on Princess Anne Road I consider heroes. They administered it immediately. I was concerned that the folks administering would cut it off, and again, I'm headed out of town.
Going back to Sentara's statement, they say providers can write COVID vaccine prescriptions based on patients' age, medical conditions, and need. According to our reporting colleagues in Richmond, on Thursday, the state health commissioner is expected to issue a standing order that would allow Virginians over the age of 65 or adults with underlying conditions to obtain a COVID-19 vaccine without a prescription. Our Richmond partners also learned people were able to get the vaccine without a prescription in pharmacies like Walgreens. They report Walgreens submitted a protocol to the Board of Nursing authorizing a pharmacist to administer the vaccine to adults. Now, I did reach out to CVS Wednesday evening. They did send me a statement saying in the Commonwealth you can now receive a COVID-19 vaccine from one of their pharmacies without an outside prescription. In Norfolk, I'm John Hood, WTKR News 3.